Hello, it's Tom from Oracle Time, and today we're taking a very quick look at the brand new Omega Speedmaster Chronoscope. So here it is, 43mm in steel, and so it's slightly larger than the Moonwatch. Obviously it has to be, because it has to fit those trio of scales that work in combination with the chronograph onto the dial. Actually only two on the dial, but one on the bezel. So you have the tachymeter, telemeter, and pulsometer. Inside, powering it, you have the superlative coaxial master chronometer caliber 9908, which is a manual wound movement with 60-hour power reserve. So it's the manual wound version of the 9900. And on the back, it is beautifully decorated, I should say, with the essentially Geneva waves emanating outwards from the balance wheel. Price-wise, the steel version, which personally I think is the best looking one, comes in at £7,410, and the bronze gold version comes in at £12,050. So for me it's a no-brainer. Steel all day long.